Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Mystic Palette Tarot by Ciro Marchetti. I do love Ciro's decks, so I'm going to be extremely biased here, but the book is written by Lee Burston. Good sized book. Let's take that out so you can have a good look at that. And there's the book. It's a standard Llewellyn box, really. They're quite large, and you can get everything. I'm going to struggle to get it all on the phone. On the camera, sorry. And I even knocked it then. Right, so I'm going to put that to one side before I make an absolute disastrous mess. Large cards, they're larger than normal, so I would have to shuffle that way. But, so these are the backs. Let me have a look at, I haven't actually looked through them, so you're going to get a genuine first reaction here. Tarot handbook, we've got his introduction. He's been doing tarot for a very long time. And then you've got the majors, so he takes you through each one of those. And then into, so each of the card meanings, the Royal Court, he's kept them to each of the suits, which is great, so they're all in suit order. Calls them coins. And then suggests a spread or two. No, a spread. Okay, so let's pop that to one side and have a look at these lovely cards. One of my second decks, well, one of my third decks actually was a Ciro Marchetti. It was the Gilded Tarot. So he does have a very particular style. This is interesting because on this one you've got how many fools? There's the fool's head there. This is the fool. There's the Fool card, the Fool walking off into the distance. He's got the signs of the zodiac on it. So there's an awful lot going on within these cards. The Magician. The High Priestess. What a gorgeous Empress. Beautiful representation of Gaia, the Emperor. And he's got the astrological symbols on there as well. So the Hierophant, we have Taurus and Gemini for the lovers. You see, Cancer for the Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune. What's he got here? So he's got, right, there's the beginning and there's the end. So you've got the Fool there, and then you have the World there, and then you have the elements. And this with Ciro's, he usually puts like, you know, like Pamela Coleman Smith did, she put her initials in. He's pops his in, you can find them in the card usually somewhere. So we have Justice. And as soon as I said that, I can't see the CM on here. It must be here somewhere. Disguised on the sword, perhaps. Or the feather. Blind Justice, she's blindfolded as well. Yeah, no, I can't see the CM. Can you? Typical. Okay, we have the Hanged Man. And then we've got the Death card here as well, with holding the Death card. So you've got the old traditional Marseille type. Temperance. The Devil. Tower. The Star. I love this card. Look at this. She looks very concentrated. Concentrating? She's concentrating. The Moon. The Sun. Do you think this feels like Judgment? It does, doesn't it? and the world. Then we're into the suits. So this must be wands. So they're not character driven, are they? They're element driven. So he's taken the symbols and brought the symbols in, as opposed to the Rider-Waite where you have the characters in each card. I have a page, a knight, a queen and a king. And in beautiful, typical Ciro style, he's coloured them. So this is the element of fire. See, red is the fire. Then we have the water for cups. So blue, all of the cards will be blue or water-based. Oh. Take me back in time. The card of nostalgia. 7, 8, 9, cheers. 10. The page, the knight, queen and king. Then we move on to the swords. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. The visual expression on this card. Yes, the anxiety, isn't it? The guilt, the worry. Page, knight, queen, and king. Then we move on to pentacles. Balancing the finances. These are really, 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 really pretty. Very attractive. And then we've got, okay, so these are page, knight, queen and king. The Mystic Palette Tarot by Ciro Marchetti. We'll bring that box back in again, but it makes a mess everywhere. I can try this. Let's just, there we go. That's what it looks like on the shelf. That big box. And here's the booklet that you get with it. So it's quite a sizable booklet. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoy them and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.